Angelico, Tennessee, where it's currently 22 degrees Fahrenheit and snowing. We're here for day one of the Kentucky Adventure Tour with the East Tennessee Overlanders. Just got done with the driver's brief, lined up, about ready to go.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're starting to move.
We set off shortly after 8 through some light snowfall. The roads were mostly untreated, but the conditions were not too bad. With us were 16 vehicles of varying age and capability, with some drivers new to overlanding, while others were experienced and knowledgeable.
Looks like we got a tree down up here. I got a chainsaw on me if nobody else does. I think it's broken. We might be able to just move it.
Spirits were high despite the cold. We joked about various team members' mothers on the radio and gave Jorge a hard time.
It's funny watching Jorge run. Andale.
As we climbed through the mountains, the snow became heavier and the trail got more slippery. Obstacles that appeared easy had the extra challenge of low traction. Luckily, we had a good team with people who were willing to assist and others to offer advice over the radio.
Jeremy, don't poke yourself when you go up this hill. The earth just kind of subsided a little bit, so I think I'll be okay. All it takes is one good rock bounce. Yeah, after those chicken wings last night, it don't take much.
The difficult climb of the hard section of the Kentucky Adventure Tour took its toll on a couple of the vehicles. Sean in the Hummer H3 had an axle shaft pop out, leaving him struggling up in three-wheel drive.
Very unusual sound coming from the front end now.
After winching to avoid any more damage, he pulled over by the side of the road to see if he could put it back together so he could continue. The rest of his trip hinged on this.
My finger's broken, baby. Due for an oil change. You want to just pull it right?
Hey, come on down. I'm hoping the CV shaft just slid out.
Oh yeah, okay.
That's what I'm hoping it is.
Using a file, a 10-pound hammer, and some miracle mechanical work, he made it. Due to the challenges of the day, we ended up rolling into camp after dark. We'd all had a great time, seeing some awesome sights and gaining new experiences. After setting up camp and getting food prepared, we all gathered around the fire to hear stories about Jorge.